Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Netflix on PC. Firstly, you need to search for Microsoft Store application. Now to do so, tap on this search bar at the bottom of your PC and there search for Microsoft Store. Once you found that application, tap on it and there search for Netflix app. Once you found the application, tap on it and now tap on Get button. Once you tap on that Get button, your Netflix account starts to download. Now here you can see Netflix app has been downloaded. Now tap on Open button to open up the app. Now you just need to tap on Sign In button and get logged into your Netflix account. And that was the quick and easy process to get Netflix on your PC. I hope you liked. If you did, then don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I will be back soon with more videos like this.